So we live in a camper van for a couple of years now, and for numerous reasons we don't like chemical toilets. We just have the dry toilet, a basket and a separator. Recently we made an innovation and we want to share it with you. The separator is from WP, that's a British company. I like it because it's easy to build into our toilets. I just made a different connector to it, a Hygienic connector. It makes it simpler to connect and disconnect the hose towards the tank, which is under our camper van, with epoxy. I hope it will hold, but so far it worked good. It's a dry toilet, but we made a dry toilet with water, and I will show you what I mean with that. Let's have a look how we build the things together. Here you see our toilet from the underside. It's a separator, but it's also a slide, which slides forwards and backwards so that you don't look immediately into the basket if you open the toilet. It works with drawer conductors to let it slide easily forwards and backwards. On the side we have springs so that it closes automatically. So it looks complicated, but actually the RVS part is quite simple. The basic shape is made it from paper first, and here you see it. It is actually simple. I used 1 millimeter thick stainless steel. First I used 1.5, but that's way too thick and too difficult to handle. 1 millimeter is enough, and just found a friend who welded the corners together. Only 2 weldings, not too difficult actually. And of course you see here in the middle the hose. It's a tube, RVS tube, bended backwards. It should have been bended for sideways. That's easier with the connecting hose. But on the other side of the tube you see the opening, and that's where our dry toilets becomes also a dry toilet with water, because the tube is connected with a hose, connected with a small simple pump where water sprays out. It's a bidet, and we find that very hygienic and comfortable. It saves a lot of toilet paper as well. Okay, so built in to our toilet, if we open the lid you can see that you don't look into the basket immediately. If we open it up you see our ventilation hose. Permanently it's ventilated, keeps smells away. And there's the button which starts the pump, and water comes out. Here you see it. It also cleans the last parts of the urine, so it's a double use. Well, from the underside here you see the connection with the tube towards the tank, and the black thing on your right is a valve which prevents the water we use for the bidet sliding backwards into the tank, which is something you don't want, of course. Our cat likes it as well. Here you can see her part of the toilet. Okay folks, that's it.